Welcome to How to Cook Great Food. With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?
Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, it would be great if you click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, as you can see here, piping hot, just finished. We're doing a really simple, easy, delicious chicken and vegetable stew. I've got whole chicken in there with skin and bone on. Lots of different vegetables as you like. You can choose them. Tomato based. I've got garlic in there, oregano. Wonderful, very satisfying. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at this really simple chicken stew we're going to be making. So here I've got a chicken, one full chicken I've cut into parts. So we've got skin and bone in there. Some potatoes, a can or a tin of plum tomatoes, some fresh tomatoes, onions sliced and I'm using red, some carrots and some green beans. Now, regarding these vegetables, you could be adding anything you want. Some eggplant, zucchini, mushrooms, up to you. Some oregano dried. I've got some garlic there chopped, roughly chopped, and optional, I've got a little bit of dried chili. We're going to start this off with a touch of olive oil. It's really quite simple and delicious. Okay, so I've got myself a large pot. You're going to need a lid as well. And in there I've got some olive oil. What we're going to do is start off by frying off our chicken parts, which I've cut into kind of fairly small bits. Maybe a bit noisy here. So that's one full chicken chopped up. To that, now I'm going to add some fresh chopped garlic. Let me get all that out of there. That optional bit of chili. Some salt. Some black pepper. Now we just want to get this fried on this kind of fairly lively heat for about just 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so nowhere near cooked, but we've got a little bit of colour on there and we've started the flavours kicking into action. Now let's add some onions. I'm going to add my dried herb now, which I'm using oregano today, or oregano as some of you call it. You could be adding some rosemary now, basil, tarragon, sage, thyme. You can kind of take it into whichever direction you want. Got some carrots here. One of my optional vegetables. They're going to go in now, as are my green beans. And again, let's throw this around in the pan. I'll just turn the heat back up. We're going to cook this for about another 5 to 6 minutes, stirring all the time. Okay, now I'm going to be adding some potatoes, which you can see I've peeled and chopped, and some fresh tomatoes. To that now I'm going to add just a little splash of water, or if you wanted maybe some white wine, red wine, or some stock. I just prefer just straight water for this. We're going to get the lid on and let that go for about 7 minutes on a kind of medium or above medium heat. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, let's jump inside and take a look. Let's get all this steam out for you. There you go, it's coming together really nicely now. Some celery in there or some other vegetables works really nicely as well. Now that can or tin of tomatoes goes in. If you wanted, you could be adding some tomato paste or puree, just to kind of thicken it up and kind of, you know, deepen the colour somewhat. But for me, this is good. Right, really simply now, let's get this on a kind of lowish heat, lid back on. I'm going to let this go for about 9 to 10 minutes, and it should be wonderful. What we're looking for is, of course, our chicken and vegetables to be nice and tender. So depending on how you've cut your vegetables or your chicken, you may have done it in larger parts, the chicken for example. Might take a bit longer to do. Lid on, 9 or 10, give it a stir every now and then. See you then. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's take a look. That is looking wonderful to me. Smells amazing. Veg are good. Chicken's definitely cooked. So simple. If you wanted maybe a few black or green olives in there, could work really well. That's it for me. Super easy, super satisfying chicken and vegetable stew. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?